Welcome friends. In this video we will see how to install Visual Studio. For installing Visual Studio, we need a setup file of Visual Studio. You can download it from internet. Open your setup file and run it. New window will be open. Click on Install Microsoft Visual Studio. It will take some load time to set up. Now we can see installation wizard is open. It will also take some time. Next, and you will see where you want to store your Visual Studio. Give next and now installation will be started. It will take 20 or more than 20 minutes to complete setup. So go for coffee and come after some times. After that new window will be pop up, press exit. Setup is completed. Thank you.